Good day, Liam from Tutortouch here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to bind or sync your OneDrive or Google Drive documents directly to the panel. So all you need is a device that can scan a QR code. So I'll be using my phone. We'll go to a QR code scanner, scan the QR code as such, and then it will direct you to a web page. Here you will then choose whether you have a Google account or a Microsoft account. Microsoft will be one for OneDrive, Google will be for your Google Drive. We use Microsoft, so I'll click on the Microsoft part, select my email address, seems to be there already. And then from there you will just put in some of your information, so your country or region, your birth date. Let's scroll, birth date, and then you'll click on done. And once you have done that on the phone or the device you are using, you will see that the interface on the panel would have changed. You can click on accept and continue. And then from there, you will see that my OneDrive is bound, or your Google Drive would be bound. You can also add your Google Drive and your OneDrive at the same time if you have two different drives which you want to have work hand in hand. You can then customize your front page. So I want to add Chrome and Bytello share. You can customize widgets, change your wallpaper, and then click on backup so that whatever changes you make on your documents on the panel, it will then save to the OneDrive or the Google Drive. And then if we go to Finder, you will then see that all my OneDrive documents are here available for me to use and open. Let's use Mobi Office to open the document. And just like that, you can then work on it and have ease of access of your OneDrive and Google Drive. And once you are done, you simply click on log out, and then all your files will be gone. And the next time you come into the class, all you do is simply scan the QR code and all your files will be back again. Liam from Tutortouch, thank you for watching.